How to change the audio on Instagram Reels after posting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Instagram application. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will lead you to your profile over here. Now, what you simply need to do over here is tap on any reel that you would want to make an edit or change the audio for. So here I have selected a reel. So if I want to change the audio, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then tap on the option of edit. As you tap on edit, here you can see there's option of tag people, add locations, advanced settings, and under advanced settings you can see there is no other options to change the audio. So this clearly shows that there is no option to change the audio on Instagram Reels after posting. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.